Welcome to 1302 Lewis Drive, located in Antioch, California. This incredible property truly has it all inside and out. And as you can tell by the front yard, it is beautifully landscaped with flowering bushes, a low-maintenance front lawn. Beautiful full trees like this gorgeous Japanese maple made me fall in love with it from the very first time we pulled up.
This home's not only beautiful on the outside, but you're going to love the expansive additions and unique floor plan made by the family who have loved and cared for this home for many years. It is truly something special. Come on in and let's take a look. As you enter, we're greeted by the spacious living room boasting ample natural light from the large window and beautiful vinyl plank flooring. Stay warm and cozy during those chilly nights with the gas fireplace. There is fresh paint throughout this home, giving the entire interior a brand new and delightful look.
Next up, we have the heart of the home, the kitchen. Equipped with a walk-in pantry for convenient storage, an island offering extra workspace and plenty of cabinet space to keep everything organized and within reach. There's also a skylight to allow for extra natural lighting.
The dining area is quite large with a door that allows for easy access to the rear yard. Perfect for relaxing.
The massive primary bedroom suite, a true sanctuary of comfort. Notice the crown molding adding a touch of sophistication, a ceiling fan to keep you cool, and its own private access to the rear patio. The ensuite bathroom features a glass-enclosed stall shower, dual sink vanity, and best of all, heated tile floors, offering a spa-like experience. Last and not least, the spacious walk-in closet providing ample storage.
Now let's explore the two additional bedrooms, each equipped with new carpet and ceiling fans. They offer a fresh and inviting atmosphere for family members or guests.
The second bathroom boasts the continuation of the stylish vinyl plank flooring and convenient shower-over-tub combo, ensuring both functionality and aesthetics.
Finally, step outside to the backyard. Relax under the covered patio seating area and follow the charming brick pathway, leading you to the freshly landscaped area with artificial grass, an orange tree that produces an abundance of fruit, ensuring a picturesque and low-maintenance outdoor space. Also, a convenient storage shed, perfect for storing all your outdoor essentials.
Antioch is located in the heart of East Contra Costa County, offering a variety of employment, shopping, and vast recreational activities. There's always something to do in Antioch, like the county fair, playing a round of golf, or splashing down the slides at Pruitt Family Water Park. You will also be close to the Delta waterways to enjoy water sports, boating, and some of the best fishing in the world. There really is something for everyone who lives, works, and plays in Antioch.
Thank you so much for taking the tour with us. We hope that you love the home just as much as we do.
For more information, photos, a full 3D scan that you can view from any device in the world, go to the property website at 1302lewis.com, or if you'd like more information or to schedule a private showing, just give us a call. Take care.